Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to fix the issue of your debit card not working on your PS5. So make sure you stick around till the end and let's dive right in. First things first, head to the top right corner of the PS5 interface and select the more option from the go to payment methods. Now check the debit card you're trying to use is supported by the PlayStation Store. PlayStation accepts cards connected to American Express, Visa or MasterCard. If your card is not supported, don't worry, there are alternatives. You can link a PayPal account, redeem gift card codes, or even use Visa gift cards. Next, double check the information you have entered, like the card number, expiration date, and security code. If any details are incorrect, your payment might fall. If you're using someone else's card like your parents, make sure online payments are enabled for that card. If the bank has disabled online payments, your card won't work for the PlayStation Store. Another thing to verify is that your PlayStation network is up and running, and sometimes issues with the network can cause payment failures. Also check if the region of your payment card matches the region of your PlayStation Store amount or account. A mismatch here can prevent transactions from going through. And finally, be careful while entering your payment details. Too many failed attempts can temporarily block your account for 24 hours. So that's how you can fix your debit card not working on PS5. Hopefully this helps you to get back to enjoy your games. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.